Once upon a time, deep in a forest, there lived 3 bears. There was Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. Every morning they ate porridge for breakfast. One morning the porridge was too hot, so they went for a walk while it cooled. While they were out, a little girl called Goldilocks found the bear's house. She knocked on the door to see if anyone was home. No one answered, so she opened the door and crept in. On the kitchen table were 3 bowls of porridge, a big one, a medium-sized one, and a small one. Goldilocks tasted the porridge from the big bowl. "Ow! This porridge is too hot," said Goldilocks. She tried the porridge from the middle-sized bowl. "Ooh, this porridge is too cold," said Goldilocks. Then she tried the porridge from the small bowl. This porridge is just right," said Goldilocks, and she ate it all up. After her long walk through the forest, Goldilocks needed to rest. In the lounge room were 3 chairs, a big one, a middle-sized one, and a small one. Goldilocks sat on the big chair. "This chair is too high," said Goldilocks. "Help, I can't get down." She tried the middle-sized chair. "Oh, this chair is too low," said Goldilocks. "I think I'm stuck." Goldilocks tried the small chair. "This chair is just right," said Goldilocks. Goldilocks had not been sitting long when the small chair broke. Crash! Yikes! She fell to the floor. By this time, Goldilocks was very tired, so she climbed the stairs to look for a bed. There were 3 beds, a big one, a middle-sized one, and a small one. Goldilocks lay on the big bed. This bed is too hard," said Goldilocks. She tried the middle-sized bed. This bed is too soft," said Goldilocks. Then she tried the small bed. "This bed is just all right," said Goldilocks, and she lay down and fell fast asleep. Meanwhile, the 3 bears returned from their walk. When they walked into the kitchen, they were surprised at what they saw.
"Someone's been eating my porridge,"
growled Papa Bear.
"Someone's been eating my porridge,"
grumped Mama Bear.
"Someone's been eating my porridge,"
grizzled Baby Bear.
"and they've eaten it all up."
In the lounge, they were surprised again.
"Someone's been sitting in my chair,"
growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been sitting in my chair," grumped Mama Bear.
"Someone's been sitting in my chair,"
grizzled Baby Bear.
"and they've broken it into pieces."
In the bedroom, they were surprised even more.
"Someone's been sleeping in my bed,"
growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed," grumped Mama Bear.
"Someone's been sleeping in my bed,"
grizzled Baby Bear.
"and she's still there."
At that moment, Goldilocks woke up to see the 3 bears staring at her. She jumped out of Baby Bear's bed, ran down the stairs, out of the house, and into the forest. And the 3 bears never saw her again. The end.